guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to today's ephemera on a budget. This is a top that I discovered at a secondhand store, and it was $1. And I do have to tell you, I'm a pretty I'm not a small person. Anyhow, I picked this up and the lady's looking at me like, really, are you going to wear that? And I told her it's not for me. Oh, so anyhow, what I'm doing is I'm going to cut those little circles out. And they're going to be part of a journal. So we could do what I thought. The other thing was, I wonder how smart it would be if I were to use this to create prints when I coffee dyed before I cut it up. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is lay it, cut it up the side and then lay it on paper so I get that design when I coffee dye. So I'm just going to go right up the middle here. About as far as I think a sheet of paper will go. Then okay, so this is one side, and I got to cut the collar. Right? Cut the collar out right here. Anywhere will work, but I chose here. Cut this up. This is actually a sleeve, I believe. A sleeve, I believe. I am a poet and didn't know it. I make a rhyme every time. What's the rest of it? I have really big feet. I'm a long fellow. Alright, so then I can cut this piece off as well. No need to keep it. This might actually make a pretty good pocket, maybe. I've seen journalers do the fabric flips, and I was like, that's kind of cool, but I've never done one. Let me know in the comments, have you ever done a fabric flip? There's that. So see, now we have a reasonably paper-shaped piece here that I can use when I coffee dye, and we'll get that pattern. So I think I'm going to try that today, and I'll show you guys how it looks next week. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Pretty sure. And then I can cut this other piece right up the middle and have it for my clusters or embellishments. There we go. Now, there's my coffee dyeing piece. And the rest is my clusters. But there was something in particular I wanted to look at. Okay, that's for coffee dyeing. We'll set that aside. But look at this. I'm thinking this would make a nice closure. Right, that long one. Go along here. Just leave it like that. And let me get a journal down. I really do think that's going to make a nice... I thought I cut my brand new mat under there. My silicone mat that I can wash. Just wash it when it gets dirty. See, let me cut this off. I really feel like this would make a nice closure. Do I finally have it? Yay. Okay. For a journal, right? Let me see what I got here that would work. What do I have? What do I have? That's kind of vintagey. Well, here's a journal I haven't seen in a while. Okay, let's go with I'm still looking, guys. Bear with me. Maybe this one. See? Not necessarily this one, but like this, right? And then we could close it with this. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. See? I like that. Now I'm going to have to make a journal, though, that'll go with it. That's pretty good. This was a fun journal. Especially if you like the color purple. Interesting. Wonder why I did this. I need to re-glue that. Oh, I need to re-glue that. That's what happened, is it came unglued. Well, darn the luck. We'll just re-glue it. It's a bookmark. It's funny, you forget what you've made, right? You totally forget what you've made. I probably should get some Fabrifix. But I like the inexpensive Dollar Tree version, right? And that's actually a name brand, Beacon. Okay, so this will go here. Just like that. Yes. That'll go there. And then I need to finish these. I'll show you what these are supposed to look like. Get my little tags. Somebody sent me that napkin, and I stuck it to that. And here's a tuck spot. There's a tuck belly band with a writing space. See, I need to put my charms on here. They should look like this. But I just haven't yet. This is a pocket. I need to put something in. Another belly band? Yeah, I need to put something in there too. Another belly band. Here's some more ephemera. Yeah, I put that on these tags and then just put some lace in there. Those were really cool. There's another waterfall. Pocket. See, there's that napkin again. I don't know about you guys, but I'll make a journal and then I can't write in it. I just can't. I need to finish my Griffin and Sabine journal too while I'm thinking about it. Okay, you guys can go. Where was that pocket? I thought there was a blank pocket there. It was further back. There's a notepad, right? Nope. Those are waterfalls that I didn't finish, that I need to finish. So I need to spend some time just in here's a pocket. Put your writing board in. Need to go back and finish up a bunch of these. Anyhow, that's that. But my all-time favorite, well, no, actually I got two other favorites. I'll show you this one. I really enjoyed making these. This one, my grungy cover. I thought that was so much fun. Let me zoom out. Yeah, my grungy cover. And this is one that I need to go back and work on too. It's put together, but I haven't put the pockets or anything in there. It's just a naked journal. And there's my cabinet. One of my cabinet cards. I need to do something with those. And then this guy. This one was a lot of fun. Like this, I made my homemade tape. And this is just a business envelope or a junk, junk mailer. That is a piece of paper. Huh, interesting. It's just a piece of paper. Oh no, the postcards. The postcards, that's what it was, part of the kit. And then I glued another piece on the front, and then if you can see, I embossed it with embossing powders and a French script. And then this is like, when you open it, you can't tell that it's a pocket until you slide that down in there. That's what that was. This one has a lot of cool stuff in it, like the whale tail tabs with the little words, little word labels. And there's more of the word labels. Yeah, this one was fun too. Put my own coffee dyed paper in there. Just little. Yep, this one was a lot of fun. This page was fun. This was an envelope. A big envelope. You'll see, and then I put some more stuff in there to work on. There's a pocket. I should round those corners. Make it a little easier to get in there. Writing space on the back. This one took a minute, and I mean it took a minute. Some whale tail tabs. A little pocket. This is a business envelope, and it opens this way, so you could put stuff in it. Another pocket. This is all of the ephemera I still need to put in there. This is a little notebook, a little tag notebook. This is a little lunch bag notebook, little postcard, little tag. Yeah, I haven't brought this journal out in a long time. This is probably one of the biggest journals I've ever made too. There's more of the pockets. There's some of my homemade tape. More pockets. I should probably go inside of there and see if there's more pocket or more tags. I just need to, when fall comes, get this out and work on it. There's the other side of that envelope. And I made it. I could either tuck that down in, or I could glue along there and make it a pocket. Some of my coffee dyed paper. And there's another pocket, see, with all the ephemera in it. Here's a pocket full of ephemera. Yep, I need to just get industrious one day and finish this. And then here's the back cover for the library pocket that I covered with part of the kit. Yep, this is actually, I'm going to say, probably the most favorite one I have. And that's cloth. I really took my time, and I love this journal. All right, guys, that's a walk down memory lane. I appreciate you all being here, and stay with me throughout the week. This is my Monday memo. I'm going to be working on coffee dyeing paper and working on making some ephemera and probably putting together a couple of journals. Not that we'll do them on, on the camera, but we'll get them done. And what else? Oh, yes. Let's slide this over. Look at this. Our book's basically finished. I need to go through and put the washi tape in. We decided on the last video that would give it some pop, a little bit of color. So I'm going to find that particular roll of washi tape. Again, get it out of the bag of washi tape that was given to me. Thank you again for that gift. If I can find it, if not, I'll match it up as closely as possible. But these are all really nice washi tapes. Really pretty, some really pretty ones in here. So I'll be using those. Get back over there. And I have way more washi tape I need to pull out and use. Okay, so I have the little roll of washi tape over here. But anyhow, this one's basically ready to go. I'll do a final flip through and a video on it, and that's going to be the giveaway video. I'm not going to give a date. I'm just going to put the video out and pick a winner. So if you're a subscriber, you'll get the notification. If you're not, well, I hope you see the video. It's not too late to subscribe. Make sure you go back to the playlist for this particular journal. There is a playlist. Oh, how could I have missed? Oh, I'm not done. I still have some stuff to glue down. I missed a couple. There's the washi tape. Oh, look how clever I was. I tied it there so I wouldn't lose it. Ha! How about that? All right, so yeah, this one's basically done. I'm going to finish pinstriping it and glue those couple of missing pieces down, and then sometime next week we'll have a giveaway. So again, not going to announce it. It's just going to be a real quick so-and-so you won. Reach out to me. I will count 5 business days. If you haven't blah, 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 reached out to me in 5 days, I'll have a second drawing. All right. So this one I think is going out here next week. Yeah. So watch for the video, guys. Okay. That's enough Monday Memo. I'm out. And I'll see you Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.